Good morning or good afternoon. Today is Monday, March 23rd. Today we're going to be working on the CK12 website, which is going to be new for some of us. So if you go on CK12 and log in, you should see that I've added 2 new assignments, okay? So one says Molar Mass Practice and one says Molar Mass Flexbook. This assignment should lead you to basically CK12's online textbook. I know we had trouble with the Pearson textbook, and I think this will be a lot more user-friendly. So you're just reading one section on molar mass, and then you're doing what's called their adaptive practice. So it's basically answering 10 questions correctly that kind of adapt to whatever level you're on based on your answers, and you'll be completing that during class today. I'm not sure if the Flexbook automatically brings you to that practice or not. This is all new for me. I've used the practice for AP, but I've never assigned Flexbooks readings because we have a hard copy of textbooks. So let me know if there's any confusion there. So this is our first time with it. We will see how that goes. I think it'll go a lot better than Pearson textbook did last week. So that's all we're doing in class today. I'm going to give you a break from homework tonight. In terms of homework, this week what I'm going to do is have it due, any homework assignments due the next day at 4 p.m. So 4 o'clock after school. That day is when it's due, okay? So it's like you still have a night to do it, but you turn in the homework by 4. This way, I think some people were having trouble uploading Google Classroom and things, so that gives you a little bit more time to do that, and it won't take away from class time you submitting homework. So by 4 p.m., whether you're in 4th period or 7th period, be sure to turn in your homework that way. Today by 4 p.m., turn in the second part of the chapter 10 more practice. So that packet that you finished up over the weekend. That's the only homework that's due. If you go on Classroom under classwork, it says due 3/23, and that is where you submit pictures of your homework. Again, I'll be on GoGuardian if you have any questions. I think this will go a lot better than the Pearson stuff did last week, so I'm looking forward to it. I like CK12. Most of my AP kids do. This is Rosalind. I thought I would introduce you. She's my lizard. She's a leopard gecko. She's pretty casual, chill. She sleeps pretty much all the time, but she's a good girl. I want to introduce you. So Megan's pets number 2. This is Roz. You met Pepin last week. Most of you did on Google Meets. So, all right. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.